Grab the direct current distribution box. Place the direct current distribution box in the indicated. Open the box. Grab the drill. Drill the screws. Grab the maximum power point tracking device. Drill the screws. Grab the maximum power point tracking device. Place the maximum power point tracking device in the indicated location. Grab the drill. Drill the screws. Grab the electric circuit breaker. Place the electric circuit breaker in the indicated location. Grab the inverter. Place the inverter in the indicated location. Grab the alternating current distribution box. Place the alternating current distribution box in the indicated location. Open the box. Grab the wire ends and put them in the indicated location. After the panels are connected, the first panel's negative terminal. Here the DCSPD is connected to the MPPT. Last but not least, the ACSPD is connected to the building. Last but not least, the ACSPD is connected to the building. All done.